Looking to refresh your living room in 2025? Modern sofa designs are taking a step forward, blending style, functionality, and comfort like never before. In this video, we'll dive into the latest trends in living room decor and explore sofa styles that will not only enhance the aesthetic of your space, but also create a welcoming, cozy environment. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist vibe or a bold statement piece, we've got the inspiration you need to transform your home. Let's get started. This year, living room decor is all about blending comfort with aesthetics. Soft curves, sustainable materials, and multifunctional furniture are taking center stage in interior design, creating spaces that are not only beautiful, but also practical. Whether you're looking to add a touch of coziness or make a bold design statement, these trends are sure to elevate your living room. Let's dive into the top trends of 2025. Say goodbye to sharp edges. Curved sofas are trending in 2025, bringing a soft, elegant look that enhances the flow of your space. With their smooth, sweeping lines, these sofas create a more inviting and balanced atmosphere, making them the perfect addition to any modern living room. Eco-conscious living is a must. Sustainable and eco-friendly sofas are on the rise in 2025, with designs crafted from recycled materials, organic fabrics, and sustainable wood frames. These environmentally friendly options not only contribute to a healthier planet, but also add a stylish, mindful touch to your home decor. Neutral tones will always have their place, but 2025 is all about adding a pop of color. Bold, vibrant shades like deep blues, forest greens, and warm terracotta are making a statement in living rooms everywhere. These rich colors bring personality and charm, transforming your space into a lively, inviting haven. Versatility is key in 2025. Modular sofas are taking over, offering the flexibility to rearrange sections for various layouts, making them perfect for any space. Plus, storage sofas are becoming a must-have, providing hidden compartments to keep your living room neat and clutter-free. Perfect for apartments and multifunctional rooms, stylish sofa beds are a game-changer in 2025. They combine comfort and practicality, providing a cozy spot to relax by day and a comfortable bed by night, all without sacrificing design. Ideal for compact spaces, these clever pieces make the most of your room while keeping your space chic and functional. Textures are taking center stage in 2025. Soft buccal and plush velvet sofas are making waves, adding warmth, elegance, and a touch of luxury to modern interiors. These rich, tactile fabrics elevate your living room, creating a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere that feels as good as it looks. Clean lines, neutral colors, and wooden accents define the timeless appeal of minimalist Scandinavian-style sofas. These designs bring a sense of calm and simplicity, seamlessly blending with any decor style, with their understated elegance. From asymmetrical designs to sculptural frames, statement sofas with unique shapes are redefining modern living room aesthetics. These bold, artistic pieces act as the focal point of any room, adding a touch of creativity and personality. Perfect for those looking to make a striking design statement, these sofas bring an innovative flair that transforms your space into a work of art. Low-to-the-ground sofas are all about creating a relaxed, contemporary vibe. With their sleek, minimalist design, they're perfect for cozy lounging while maintaining a sense of modern elegance. These grounded pieces add a calm, laid-back feel to any living room, making them ideal for those who love comfort with a stylish, understated touch. Technology meets comfort in 2025 with smart sofas. Featuring built-in speakers, wireless charging, and adjustable reclining functions, these sofas are taking home entertainment to the next level. Whether you're relaxing, watching movies, or hosting a gathering, these innovative pieces combine convenience with luxury, making your living room both high-tech and incredibly comfortable. Balance comfort and style by choosing furniture that's both visually appealing and functional. In 2025, it's all about merging aesthetics with practicality, creating spaces that are not only beautiful, but also enhance your everyday living. Opt for pieces that offer the perfect mix of comfort and design, making your home stylish, cozy, and highly functional. Layer textures to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere in your living room. Mixing fabrics like soft linen, rich leather, and warm wool adds depth and warmth to your space. The combination of different textures not only enhances the visual appeal, but also makes the room feel more inviting and comfortable, perfect for relaxing and unwinding. Use statement lighting to elevate your living room's ambience. Pendant lights and stylish floor lamps can create a warm, inviting atmosphere while adding a touch of personality to your space. These bold lighting choices not only illuminate, but also serve as eye-catching design elements, making your room feel more dynamic and stylish. Incorporate art and personal touches to make your space truly unique. Framed art, sculptures, and decorative accessories add character and reflect your individual style. These personal elements not only enhance the overall aesthetic of your living room, but also create a space that feels inviting, meaningful, and entirely your own. Go green by adding indoor plants to your living room. Plants bring a refreshing burst of nature, filling your space with vibrancy and life. Whether it's a lush fern, a sleek snake plant, or vibrant peace lily, greenery enhances your room's aesthetic while promoting a calm, fresh atmosphere. Perfect for creating a cozy, inviting environment. Twenty 2025 is bringing exciting new trends for living rooms, from bold sofa designs to cozy and sustainable styles. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.